When should you change the chain? How do you know when your chain's buggered? Some people ride hard, some people ride soft. How often do you maintain your chain? Where do you ride? You ride a lot of gravel, you ride always on sealed roads. So you really just got to depend on each individual and check your chain. So how do we know when the chain's worn? Well, this chain's pretty buggered. So let's have a close look and see how we can tell it's worn out. First thing to do, see what sideways movement you've got. If you look at this chain here, it's actually being able to touch the wheel. Okay, that's not good. All right, linear movement, sideways movement like that generally means buggered. Another test we can do, lift up the bottom of the chain and let it drop, and we can see it's moving at the top. Okay, so those pins and rollers, a lot of slop in those pins and rollers, and it's transmitting all the way around the chain. And the third test we can do is at the rear sprocket, pull the chain out, and we can see here I'm pulling it way out. Okay, if you can see daylight between the chain and the sprocket, again, well worn. Time to change this chain, and we'll do that in the next video. So it's time to change this chain. In the next video we'll show you how to change the chain and the front sprocket. Catch you in the next one.